mag-ano tayo ng pink stuff. And obviously, this bag is like the pink pencil case, punuan ng mga pencil. Ito, si Melody. Meron tayong sticker. Ito pinakamaganda kung paano sa buong mga. Ano yun guys? Ano yun? Ano pa naman ang mga klase ko? Obviously, nakita ko na to. Ito, kala nyo laruan. Pag tinalikod mo siya, nakita na pala dito. Story ang sabi ay nakausap kasi na.
Barbie, you have visitor.
It's Kida. Kapag wait lang, te.
Open the gate. Bilis.
Ito na yung kasama ko.
This looks like a store.
Teka, gala. Ito.
Come on, I will go to the side. Okay?
Yeah, that's super cool.
Oh, this is your dream bag.
Yeah, that's
Oh my god,
my pencil case.
I do like it.
Oh, sheesh.
You want
Who made this mistake?
You want to get that book?
No.
Oh, no.
Then another ruler and
Why did you buy this?
that's nothing.
Oops. Oh my god.
Oops, I forgot the one.
I want to make one.
My eraser.
I don't want to come without.
My
I
crayons.
was just going to do. I want to just play in the house. Maybe the
Whoa!
yes,
Hey, another
your
pencil.
favorite corn.
What?
I want pizza.
We don't have any picture.
You should need to
My pencil case.
Oh,
Kaso nga lang, iwan na.
wow. Can you explain yourself? I'll go to the first one. You explain. Okay? Whoa. I just had to run.
Last one.
Why did you
Suntok. At ang pinakamahaba kong eraser sa buong mundo.
don't work?
Charis.
Ano po yan?
Did you speak Tagalog?
Look at the gate. I saw him. I saw him.
Yeah, me too. I saw it.
Maybe they.
Ah! Now, ano sugar? Purple. Purple items naman, guys.
a helmet?
No. Yeah.
Oh, sure. You're welcome. Wow, this is. Do you know this is your favorite toys? Wow,
My cuties.
Wow, this is my favorite. How to open this? Maybe I can. Super easy. Ah, you can try it. Go.
This is another Pikachu sa resident. Ha? Kay Tita Ashley, dinala nila kanina.
Oh, I found a surprise egg. Can you please help me get a surprise egg? I can reach it. Maybe she could.
Meron pa.
Look, it's a surprise egg. It's a surprise egg.
No, give me. Do not describe it.
But I should have.
It's not that.
I got more one.
Kigan! No.
You broke my favorite.
Kigan, do not open because there's wood.
Oh, this is his.
Give me that Kigan.
Yep, this is from me to you. And this is.
Kigan, no.
Wait, I'll just see more.
No. Kigan, no. You can't do
What?
it.
I'll just see on my.
And yung bumper
Ayos
na
yan.
nakita ko, diba? Ayun.
I'll just. Two.
Then, if I die,
Oh, that's super cool. So I'm going to buy that next time. I want a blue with a Spider-Man. Level 2. Level 2.
ba't nandito ka pa, ha? Ba't ka nandito ka pa?
Low battery.
Oh, ba't nandito ka pa?
Oops. I didn't know. Is this your luggage? Look.
Yeah.
Oh,
No. That's not luggage. Oh, ba't nandito ka pa?